My name is Matt Moyer. I'm the Cognitive Solutions Business Development Manager at SAMSON Controls. At SAMSON Controls, we're a German company founded in 1907 that focuses on control solutions ranging from hardware to software. We operate wherever there's a controlled flow of oils, gases, vapors, or chemical substances. We serve all markets ranging from oil and gas, refining, chemical, power generation, pulp and paper, pharmaceutical, food and beverage, and many more. We have an extensive global presence with dedicated engineers and service teams in all world areas. We manufacture the full range of control valve solutions, everything from small test lab valves to large 100-inch plus butterfly valves. We continue to focus on research and development. We've recently completed our new 75,000 square foot innovation center that allows us to continue to meet the needs of our current and future customers. We are now fully focusing on opportunities provided to us through Industry 4.0. We recently developed and launched a new APL Ethernet capable 3798 control valve positioner, as well as our new SamGuard predictive maintenance software that analyzes the data inside of our customers' historians in a unique way using machine learning and artificial intelligence. Our process control hardware and software solutions integrate seamlessly with Rockwell products and other partners. Customers can rest assured that when going with Rockwell, they have a reliable and easy-to-use process control product that will continue to be innovated and supported worldwide.